Ever wondered if you can use your trusty debit card to invest with Stash? Let's dive in and find out. Stash Overview. Stash is a popular investment app that makes investing accessible to everyone. But, like any financial tool, it has its own set of rules and regulations. One common question that pops up is, does Stash accept debit cards? Importance of debit cards. Debit cards are a convenient way to access your funds. They're often linked directly to your checking account, making it easy to manage your money. So, it's natural to wonder if you can use them to invest through Stash. Answering the question, does Stash accept debit cards? Direct answer. The short answer is yes, Stash does accept debit cards. Explanation. You can link your debit card to your Stash account and use it to fund your investments. This is a convenient option for many users as it allows for quick and easy deposits. Additional considerations. ACH transfers. While Stash accepts debit cards, it's important to note that it primarily uses ACH transfers for funding. This means that your funds might take a few business days to settle before you can start investing. Instant deposits. If you need instant access to your funds, Stash also offers instant deposit options. However, these often come with additional fees. Advantages of using debit cards with Stash. Convenience. Linking your debit card to Stash makes it easy to deposit funds and start investing. Accessibility. Debit cards are widely available, making Stash accessible to a broad range of users. Security. Modern debit cards often come with advanced security features, providing a relatively safe way to manage your finances. Potential drawbacks. Overspending. If you're not careful, using a debit card to fund your investments can lead to overspending. It's important to set a budget and stick to it. Fees. Some banks may charge fees for ACH transfers or other transactions related to your Stash account. Best practices for using debit cards with Stash. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to invest and stick to your budget. Review your account regularly. Keep an eye on your Stash account to ensure that your investments are on track. Consider alternative funding methods. If you're concerned about overspending or fees, explore other funding options like bank transfers or using a dedicated investment account. Additional tips. Start small. If you're new to investing, start with a small amount and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor. So, to recap, Stash does accept debit cards. It's a convenient way to fund your investments, but it's important to be mindful of potential drawbacks and best practices. Remember to set a budget, diversify your investments, and seek professional advice if needed. If you're ready to start investing with Stash, go ahead and link your debit card to your account. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.